everybody excited to see the results. So we have 2 3 people who have good things. So congratulations everybody who have been part of this, 30 days weight loss change, and thank you very much for joining, believing in us and joining our 30 days weight loss challenge as well, because we feel that, privileged to serve you guys, because our vision or mission in our life is to make more people, live healthy lives. So that's our, main agenda of these, 30 days challenge or 60 days challenge what we're conducting. So we are getting results, and we believe in results actually, and definitely we are going to see and more number of results in coming future. So we have started with our 60 days challenge from, so we're starting from tomorrow actually. So it'll be ending in December. I'm sure that we will be having more people having lost 10 to 15 kgs in the 60 days. So it's ongoing. So we will come up with that. But let us share this last week, last month's results for you. Congratulations, 10 plus kgs in 30 days. So you know to give a one big round of applause to Bindu, who have lost 10.7 kg. So it's an amazing result actually for Bindu. So I think this is what she has written there. Amazing, very good to see that kind words written by them. Really amazing diet plan, Lemi. Thank you so much. Anyways, yeah, we have done so it's not about us. So we have given this, diet plan to so many people actually. Totally, if you look at in last 2 to 3 years, there maybe some 2,500 plus people have joined our 30 days and 60 days programs continuously in this 1.5 2 years. But the people got results are very less, because it's you who make the difference. It's not us. It's something like there's no people say that you can take the horse to the well or maybe the pond, but you cannot make the horse to drink water, right? So they have to drink the water themselves. It's something like that. So you have, we can give you the diet plan, we can suggest you do this, do that and everything. Unless you take the that execute and take that action, nothing is going to happen. So if you have taken the action, you're seeing the results. So good job, Windows. You have done a good job. So I think definitely you can get into your ideal weight in at least 2 to 3 months if you really put that effort, to get into that challenges, right? Okay, so we'll get into the next slide. So we have congratulations again. So people who have lost 6+ kgs in 30 days. So we have a couple of people in this. Sabir 6.5 kg, who stays in, I think, Qatar or Doha. I think he's outside India. So he's not on the call today. So Chitra 6.4 kg. I think, yeah, she's here. 6.4 kg. Good job, Chitra. So you have done a fabulous job. And Samira, who has lost 6.15 kg in this 30 days. Superb, good results. Amazing. So we'll bring up some more people who have lost 4+ kgs in 30 days. So we have Rashmi, who has 4.5 kg lost. Good job. We have Bhuhana 4.2 kg. We have Akshita 4 kgs and Sophie 4 kg. Amazing, amazing guys. So this is what we look at it. So we always promise people that 4.5 to 5 kg is mandatory you can lose, and losing 4.5 to 5 kg is not a big deal at all. If you follow it for at least for 25 days, in between 1 or 2 days, if you lose also, still you can lose it 4 5 kg. It can happen. Okay, we have some more results who have lost lesser than this, but we can bring up there 3+ and 2+ in 30 days. We have Suraj, who lost 3.9 kgs totally. So good job, Suraj. So we have Ramya 3.7, awesome. So 3.7. So we have Divya 2.6 and Prabhavati 1.5 and Mary Dimples 1.6. Okay, so this is the end of it. So we have